Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel of Chameli Devi Institute of Pharmacy, Indore. In today's session, we are going to prepare liquid paraffin emulsion. For the preparation of liquid paraffin emulsion, the various ingredients required are acacia, tragacanth, liquid paraffin, purified water, glycerine, chloroform, and sodium benzoate. First of all, for the preparation of primary emulsion, we are going to take acacia and tragacanth. The weighed amount of acacia and tragacanth is taken into the clean and dry mortar. Triturate this mixture to form a uniform mass. Now, the weighed amount of liquid paraffin is added to the mixture in mortar pestle with continuous trituration. After adding the liquid paraffin, now this purified water is added dropwise to form primary emulsion with vigorous stirring. After adding the measured amount of water, the stirring is continued till the clicking sound is heard, which indicates the formation of primary emulsion. The primary emulsion is creamy white in color. Now, sodium benzoate is added as a preservative agent with continuous stirring. Now, vanillin is added as a flavoring agent with continuous stirring. After this, measured amount of glycerine is added dropwise. Also add chloroform dropwise to the mixture with continuous stirring. Now make up the volume of the emulsion to 100 ml with purified water with continuous stirring. The purpose of preparation of liquid paraffin emulsion is it is basically used as a laxative. This is a 100 ml liquid paraffin emulsion. Prepare. Transfer it to suitable container and store in cool and dry place. Thank you.